I am healthy and vibrant. I am grateful for my body. I am in perfect health. Health and well-being are my divine birthright. I release pain, discomfort, and stress from my body now. I love taking care of my body. I am in control of my health and wellness. I have enough energy to do everything that I want to do. Every cell in my body radiates with vitality. My body is in perfect balance. It's easy for me to make healthy choices that nourish my body. All aspects of my being are in perfect harmony. My body is functioning at its optimum. I radiate good health. My immune system is strong and healthy. Healing is coming to me. I manifest perfect health and strength. I am healthy and whole. I am grateful for my abundant health. I always sleep peacefully and wake up refreshed and happy. It is safe for me to be healthy and well. I love being healthy. Healing energy fills every cell in my body. I am vibrantly healthy. My body knows how to heal and restore itself. I am free from pain and discomfort. I feel vibrant. I am ready to enjoy perfect health.
This is the end of this session. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this type of content. If you need more help on your law of attraction journey, please check my website for coaching. You can also get my short, straight-to-the-point ebook on how to manifest for any level. Thank you for listening, and see you very soon.